kids, how are you all? Good. I am still receiving your homework videos, photos. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very nice. Guess what? You know when you used to come to school, we celebrated Red Color Day. You remember? Yes. Even today we are gonna celebrate Red Color Day. Are you all ready? Come on. I'll be waiting for you. Go and change your t-shirt. Wear red color t-shirt. Tell mama to wear red color attire. If papa is available, tell papa also to wear red color t-shirt. Okay? We'll start with Red Color Day activity. So here I am with my red attire. Okay. I also have red things. What is this? Red tomato. Very good. Next. What is this? Red toy. Very nice. Now what is this? Red ball. Aha. Okay. Now what is this? Red color pencil. And next guess. Red color box. Nice, isn't it? So I want you all to collect 5 red items. Okay, and I want you to eat any red color fruit. Tell mama to give you either watermelon or pomegranate or strawberry, cherries or tomato. You can eat tomato also. And apple. Okay, tell mama to give any of the fruit. Eat bowl full of fruit. Tell mama to record a video and share it with me. And those who will eat fast will get what? Yes, smiley, star or certificate. Come on, make it fast. Do your red color activity and share it with me. Okay, hope you're done with the Red Color Day activity. Fine. Shall we go with our academics? Come on. Take out your English book. Okay, open the page. What we have done last time? Yeah, we have done till letter A. You remember? Okay. A says A. We have done. Hope you have done the homework too. What comes after A? Yeah, it's B. Very good. It's B. So, hey, wow. Take out page number 6. What is this? It's letter B. Capital B. Small b. B says B. Repeat with me. B says B. Okay. Come on. Take out your index finger. Take out your pointing finger. Shall we trace letter B? Okay. When you are tracing, you should say loudly. See how Swapna ma'am is telling? Like that you should say loudly. Okay. Capital B. Small b. Once again. Capital B. Small b. Very good. B says B. B for bat. B for ball. B for book. B says B. Okay. B ball. B book. B bat. Fine. Let's see what's there in the next page. So many pictures related to letter B. Okay. Now shall we read loudly? See how Swapna ma'am is pointing finger, like that you should point out wherever I am reading. Okay. B banana. B says B. B banana. B bat. B says B. B bat. B ball. B says B. B ball. B balloon. B says B. B balloon. B boat. B says B. B boat. B bus. B says B. B bus. Very good. Hey, wow, we have got an activity now. What's there? See, in between you can see letter B. Yes? Okay, and you have many pictures beside. Isn't it? So, what you have to do? Yes, exactly. Either you take a crayon or you take a pencil. We'll do matching. Shall we do? Come on, start. Okay. First we'll identify the pictures. Then we'll see whether it will match or not. What is this? Yeah, it's bag. Bag. So it match with letter B. It starts with letter B. Yes. So you need to match bag. Very good. What is the next picture? Bed. So even bed starts with letter B. So match it with letter B. Very nice. Balloon. Even balloon starts with letter B. Exactly. So match it with letter B. Very nice. Next. Bubble. So match it with letter B. What is this? It is arrow. It doesn't start with letter B. It starts with A. So no matching. Next. Ball. Isn't it? So match it with ball. Done with the matching? Oh wow, so neat, isn't it? Fine, let's turn the page. Let's see what's there in the next page, okay? Aha, coloring. You all love coloring, isn't it? Come on, take your crayon and color letter B. When you're coloring, you should say B says B, capital B, small b. B says B, capital B, small b. Okay? And what can you say here? Yeah, it's a big B. What you have to do? You have to search only letter B in this and circle. See, like this. One I'll do for you. Rest you have to do at home. Like this. Okay? Fine? Come on. Complete your homework and share your photos, share your pics with me. Okay, done with English? Fine. Shall we go with our next subject, math? Okay? Come on, open the book. What have we learnt last time? Oh yeah, we learned pre-number concept last time. Remember? Big, small, tall, short. Yes? So today we are gonna learn about long and short. Okay? Today we are gonna learn about long and short. See, this is a long string. Can you see? Yeah, this is a long string. Okay? Now, this is a short one. Yes? Long, short. Long, short. I'll show you one more example. See, this is a long scale, short scale. Yes? Long scale, short scale. Shall I show you one more example? So here comes long strip. Okay? And this is short strip. Fine? Once again, long strip, short strip. Long strip, short strip. So you are clear with long and short? Come on, take out your math book and open page number 7. Repeat with Swapna ma'am, okay? Long, short. This is a long tape. This is used by tailors. And this is a short scale. We use it for drawing lines, isn't it? Okay, next. Long snake. Short caterpillar. Yes? Long, short. Once again, long, short. Okay, let's see what's there in the next page. Hey, wow, you have got an activity. What you have to do? Okay, circle the short object in each set. See, can we find two sets? Two sets of pictures? Yes. In the first set, there's a long ladder and a short one. Yes. So you have to circle the short one. Take your crayon, take your pencil and circle. See how Swapna ma'am is circling? Yes, exactly. Next, there's a long building and a small house, short house. Okay. So shall we circle this? Okay. Now, this is your homework. Okay. What you have to do is tick the short object in each set. See, we have long, short. Long, short. Take your mama's help and tick the shorter one. This is your homework. Fine? Okay. So, you have to revise what are all the pre-number concepts you have learned from past 1 week. I'll revise you once again. One, you have learned big and small, tall and short, and today long and short. These three I want you to revise once. Tell your mama to take a video, share with me. Take 5 long items, 5 short items. Take a photo and share with me. I'll be waiting for your photos. Okay, done with math. Shall we go with our next subject? General awareness, EVS. Okay, let's see what's inside. What we have learnt last time? Oh yes, we have learnt about body parts. Isn't it? Remember? Okay, how about revising it once again? Yeah, we do have a rhyme on that. Shall we? Okay, repeat with Swapna ma'am. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. Loudly. Yes. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs to tap, tap, tap. 2 little legs to tap, tap, tap. 2 little ears to hear mother's call. 2 little ears to hear mother calls. 2 little eyes open wide. 2 little eyes open wide. And 1 little head goes side to side. Now you recite a rhyme. Tell mama to record a video and share it with me. Okay? Let's see what's there in the next page. Aha! Today we are gonna learn about our emotions, our feelings. Shall we? First we'll go through this, then I'll explain you. What is this girl? This girl looks very happy. So being happy is a good habit. Okay? You should be always happy. If you have some problem, you should tell to your mummy, you should tell to your papa. Okay? But you should be always happy. Fine? Being happy, good habit. Next, what is the next girl? She is angry. When you do something wrong, mama gets angry, isn't it? So you should not do anything such that mama gets angry. Getting angry, bad habit. Very, very bad habit. No getting angry. Okay? And don't let your mummy and papa also get angry. Okay? Next, sleepy. When you get sleep, you should go to bed early. Okay? You should not be awake for a long time. I'm watching you all. No watching TV till midnight. Have dinner at 7:30 and sleep by 8:30. That's a good habit. Okay? Sleepy. Feeling sleepy? Go to bed early. Next, sad. Should not be sad. Why you have to be sad? Mama is giving you everything. Papa is giving you everything. You don't have to be sad. Being sad, bad habit. Okay? Fine? Okay. Now what you have to do is make your different emojis. Happy, angry, sleepy, sad. Make a video. Share it with me. Okay? Hey, wow, we have got an activity. What is here? Draw a face you like and color it. See, here you have a big circle, right? First, you have to make a happy face or a sad face. You want to be happy or you want to be sad? Swapna ma'am will be happy always because being happy is a good habit. Yes? Sad? No, bad habit. So, what we will do? We will make a smiley, happy face and we'll color it yellow. Come on, get your crayons. With your mama's help, make a smiley face, color it. Okay? Next, we also have, this is your homework. Let me mark. Your next homework is, take out page number 14. Okay? What you have to do is, color the girl if you are a girl. Okay? See here you have to color. This is for girls. Okay? Color the girl if you are a girl. And this is for boys. Color the boy if you are a boy. If you are a boy, you have to color this. This is for girls. Okay? We have learnt about ourselves, right? So, this is again a revision. Okay? This one you have to color. And today we are doing red color day, isn't it? So, with your mama's help, do your red palm print. Right hand, left hand. Okay? Both the hands dip in the red color and do it here. Palm impression with red color. Fine? Come on, do your homework. Share your pics. Share your videos. I'll be waiting. And also for your red color day, you have coloring activity too. Take out your art and craft book. Open page number 4. Yes, and here you have a red tomato. Take your red crayon and color this tomato red. Okay, complete your red color day task. Complete the homeworks given. No bullying mama, bad habit. I'll be watching you. And very soon I'm gonna come your place to give you certificates. If you be good with mama, if you complete the work, then only you'll get certificate. Yes? Fine? So, I'll be visiting your place only if you behave properly, only if you listen to mama, and if you do your homework. And today you have got nice activities, right? Eating all red color fruits. Eat fast. Take a video. Share with me. I'll give you a surprise gift too. Fine? Chalo, see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.